Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Guess what I'm doing today? I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. I have not done a Dollar Tree haul in a while. So I seen a couple of people haul some things that I really wanted. And so I had to have them. So the first thing, I didn't see anybody haul this, but I seen this here. This is like a little like, I don't really know what this was made for per se. It didn't really say, but I'm going to use it to put on my, it's like a glass thing. I'm going to use it to put it on my stove and put like my spoons and stuff. And it says love, laugh, and gather together. They had a couple of different ones in the kitchen area aisle. This is like a glass. I really like this. I think that's kind of neat. The next thing is I saw Keto Twisted Gypsy get all the lemon stuff, and I was like, oh my god, that's super cute. So I got 2 of these lemon glasses. These are the cutest things. They have coffee cups, bowls, dinner plates, the little plates, all kinds of stuff. They have the oven mitt, and then this is a 2-pack of these little pot holders, and then they have kitchen towel, and then I got this kitchen towel. Kind of obsessed with kitchen towels right now. Been getting a lot of them. So I got those. And then they had these Nestle Splashes, which are basically flavored waters. And I don't think that there's anything in them. It's just water, citric acid. Oh, there's sucralose in these. Never mind. I didn't think there was anything in them, but there is. There's sucralose. If you can have sucralose, then yeah. But $1 for 6. So I got 4 packs of them. Then I got, they had 3, we all needed new toothbrushes, so they had these Colgate 3-packs there. And then they had the kids Colgate toothpaste there as well, so I got that. Tiffany needed some deodorant. I always pick up these batteries. We go through batteries like crazy. The boys needed some new soap. This is compared to the EOS shave cream. I keep seeing everybody get this, so I was curious about it. I haven't heard it if anybody liked it or not yet, but this is pomegranate and raspberry. They had a lavender one too, but I figured I didn't need to, so I got one. I got this little pack of suction cups because the kids made me a couple of little like decoration things for Mother's Day, so I can hang them up in the window. There is this Bolero coconut and rose oil face serum. I haven't seen a face serum there from this yet, so I was interested in this. It says, after cleaning and toning, apply tiny dots all over your face. Blend lightly. Use short, light strokes to your face. Serum should be applied twice daily. So, I don't know. I just thought I'd try it. Coconut and rose oil. That sounds like it smells really good. They did have body washes and soaps and all that matching in this scent too if you wanted that. Then I couldn't pass this up. These big seasonings. Garlic and pepper and garlic salt for $1. These are big. These are 13 ounces. So I got those. I got these 2 candles. They had different scents, but this one's called Karma, frankincense and vanilla. They smell so good. Smell that. That smells good. They had this little container for like little recipe cards. I seen Tangi from Freedom Homestead haul this. How cool. It's one of these little boards that you can write a little message of the day on, or just whatever type of message you want to put on there. I thought that was really cool. And then the last thing I got was these. They have a little stand in the back, but they have a little clip here that you can put a picture of your pet. This one says best cat ever. I have 2 cats, so I got 2 of those. And then they did have one for dogs. And then they also had other ones with the clips that you could put other things on. Like they had little sayings like friends and everything like that. So that's all I got, you guys. I thought this stuff was pretty. If you break my glasses, I will break you. I thought that this was a pretty good haul. It was a lot of stuff that I've never seen at Dollar Tree before, and I seen people getting them online, and I was like, oh my god, I need that stuff. So I'm pretty excited about this haul. All right, guys, I gotta go cook dinner. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.